Hot water is something we all rely on every single day, whether it's for washing dishes, taking a relaxing shower, or simply washing our hands. But not all water heaters are built the same, and choosing the right one can make a huge difference in comfort, efficiency, and daily convenience. In today's video, we're going to explore 4 different water heaters, each designed for a unique type of user and living situation. From compact under-sink solutions to powerful whole-house systems, we'll break down how each unit works, what makes it special, and where it fits best. As we go through these 4 water heaters, make sure to watch till the end, because we'll also do a feature-based comparison of all 4 units together. And don't forget, comment below and tell us which water heater you liked the most. If you enjoy detailed comparison videos like this and want more honest, feature-focused content, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Now, let's begin with our first water heater. Bosch Electric Mini Tank Water Heater, Tronic 3000T 2.5 gallon. The Bosch Tronic 3000T is a point-of-use electric mini tank water heater designed specifically to deliver hot water exactly where you need it, without delay. This unit features a 2.5-gallon storage tank, making it ideal for under-sink installation in kitchens, bathrooms, offices, or even small commercial spaces. The compact dimensions allow it to fit comfortably in tight areas without cluttering the surrounding space. One of the standout features of this Bosch unit is its 98% thermal efficiency, meaning almost all the energy used goes directly into heating the water. This ensures fast recovery and consistent performance when hot water is needed. The glass-lined tank interior plays a major role in durability. This protective lining helps resist corrosion and mineral buildup, significantly extending the heater's lifespan. For users who value reliability and long-term performance, this is an important advantage. Installation is also extremely flexible. The Bosch Tronic 3000T can be shelf-mounted, wall-mounted, or floor-mounted, and it comes with the necessary mounting bracket. It plugs directly into a standard 120-volt outlet, making independent installation straightforward. Another practical feature is the fast recovery rate. This mini tank reheats water quickly, eliminating long waiting times at the sink. It's capable of supplying hot water to up to 2 sinks simultaneously, which is impressive for its size. Temperature control is handled through an external adjustable dial, allowing users to set water temperature up to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Safety is enhanced with a built-in temperature and pressure relief valve, providing peace of mind during daily use. Aesthetically, Bosch has kept the design clean and modern. The white exterior blends easily into visible spaces, so even if it's not hidden inside a cabinet, it doesn't look out of place. Overall, this water heater is designed for users who want instant hot water at a specific location, minimal waiting time, and a dependable brand known for engineering quality. Hot water heater number 2. 2025 Gen 2 Rainin 2.5-gallon electric mini tank water heater. Next up is the Rainin Gen 2 2.5-gallon electric mini tank water heater, a modern and compact unit built for fast heating and space efficiency. At first glance, the Rainin unit stands out with its sleek, minimalist gray design and ultra-compact dimensions. It's engineered specifically for under-sink installations, RV use, and small living spaces where every inch matters. This heater uses an advanced 1440-watt molybdenum gold heating rod, achieving an impressive 99% thermal efficiency. This allows the unit to heat water rapidly and recover quickly between uses. One of the most notable features is its wide adjustable temperature range, spanning from 86 degrees Fahrenheit to 167 degrees Fahrenheit. This gives users exceptional control, whether they need lukewarm water for washing or higher temperatures for cleaning tasks. The internal construction is built for longevity. The triple-layer inner tank consists of an enamel coating, high-density reinforcement, and a decarburized steel plate. This layered approach enhances corrosion resistance and minimizes the risk of leaks over time. Installation is designed to be user-friendly. The unit uses standard half-inch NPT water connections, operates on 120 VAC power, and includes a 43-inch power cord. Safety guidelines recommend leaving clearance around the unit for proper ventilation and maintenance access. In terms of protection, the Rainin heater includes multi-level safety systems, such as high-temperature resistance, pressure protection, and an IPX4 waterproof rating, making it suitable for various indoor environments. This water heater is particularly well-suited for people who want precise temperature control, rapid heating performance, and a modern design in a compact form factor. Hot water heater number 3. Velpak's Natural Gas Tankless Water Heater, 4.21 GPM or 16 liters. Moving into a completely different category, our third option is the Velpak's Natural Gas Tankless Water Heater, designed for users who need continuous hot water without relying on a storage tank. This unit operates on natural gas and delivers hot water on demand, eliminating the limitations of tank capacity. With a flow rate of up to 4.21 gallons per minute, it can supply hot water to multiple fixtures simultaneously. The heater is equipped with a 68,000 BTU output, allowing it to heat water efficiently and maintain stable temperatures even during extended use. It's capable of operating with low water pressure, starting at just 3.6 psi, making it suitable for a wide range of plumbing systems. Safety is a major focus here. The Velpak's unit includes multiple protection systems, such as flame failure detection, overheating protection, and anti-freeze safeguards. These features ensure stable operation under various conditions. Durability is enhanced by the stainless steel outer body and an oxygen-free copper heat exchanger, which minimizes heat loss while extending service life. Copper offers excellent thermal conductivity, improving overall efficiency. The LED digital display provides real-time temperature readings and allows users to fine-tune output between 95 degrees Fahrenheit and 149 degrees Fahrenheit. This level of control is especially useful in households with varying hot water needs. Installation is designed to be straightforward for a tankless gas system with standard water fittings and ventilation requirements. Proper exhaust setup ensures safe indoor operation. This heater is ideal for apartments, cabins, or medium-sized homes where space-saving and continuous hot water are priorities. Water heater number 4. Thermomate CZ422NG Natural Gas Tankless Water Heater, 4.7 gallons per minute. Finally, we have the Thermomate CZ422NG, a whole-house natural gas tankless water heater built for high demand and multiple simultaneous uses. With a maximum flow rate of 4.7 gallons per minute and a powerful 102,000 plus BTU heating output, this unit is designed to support 3 to 4 fixtures at the same time, ideal for busy households. One of the most advanced features is its real-time flow sensor and intelligent control chip, which adjusts heating power thousands of times per second. This ensures extremely stable water temperature, keeping fluctuations within plus or minus 1 degree Fahrenheit. Safety systems are extensive, including freeze protection, flame failure protection, overheating safeguards, pressure protection, and integrated error diagnostics. These layers of protection contribute to reliable long-term operation. The oxygen-free copper heat exchanger provides superior heat transfer and corrosion resistance. Combined with a UEF rating of 0.81, this design emphasizes efficient energy use and consistent performance. A standout feature is the 3.5-inch LED touchscreen display, which allows users to monitor water flow, flame status, fan operation, and temperature in real time. Diagnostic error codes make troubleshooting much easier. Despite its power, the unit remains compact and wall-mountable, saving significant space compared to traditional tank systems. It's also engineered with a high-speed exhaust fan, capable of handling extreme wind conditions for added safety. This water heater is best suited for users who want whole house coverage, advanced digital control, and consistent hot water across multiple rooms. When comparing all 4 water heaters together, each one clearly serves a different purpose. Bosch Tronic 3000T focuses on dependable, point-of-use hot water with durable construction and simple installation. Renain Gen 2 Mini Tank emphasizes modern design, rapid heating, and precise temperature control in compact spaces. Velpac's Tankless gas heater delivers continuous hot water with efficient gas operation and strong safety features. Thermomate CZ422NG offers whole house performance with advanced technology and multi-fixture capability. Rather than choosing a single best option, the right choice depends on how and where you plan to use hot water. Now, we'd love to hear from you. Which of these 4 water heaters impressed you the most? Tell us in the comments below. If this video helped you understand the differences and features clearly, subscribe to the channel for more in-depth comparison videos just like this one. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.